Here's the skinny on what people pay for cell phone service for a year. Around $1,200 a year. I must be cheap. I get a new phone once a year, pay $100, $150 for it. It comes with a year's worth of phone service and some data service. So I get the phone for free. I get this, I pay $100 for phone and data service for the year. $100 versus $1,200. How do I get away with it? Well, one, I have TracFone. I've got so many minutes on for phone use, I'm never going to use them up. Data, I bought a data card about 6 months ago for $10. That's all I spent. Why don't I use a lot of data? Because mostly I use my cell phone at home where I have it part of my my computer service. Okay, it's there. I don't use data. And when I go on trips, I don't use data at all, except maybe if I have to start my GPS going. And once it gets going, it doesn't use any data. So I must be cheap. I spend about $100 total for phone and data versus the average person spending $1,200 a year.